स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप? अभी अभी जस्ट एग्जाम हुआ है, राइट गाइस? 20 फेब आप सभी ने एग्जाम दिया है। सो ये तो पूछना ही था, कैसे हैं आप? सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? आइदर रिजल्ट डेट और टिस्पैट का डेट, टिस्मैट और दी ओपीआई। बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है इन माइंड, राइट गाइस? सो स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ मी थ्रू आउट दिस वीडियो बिकॉज विल टॉक इन डिटेल अबाउट आपका टिस्पैट कब होगा, टिस्मैट कब होगा एंड इवन द ओपीआई कब होगा, right guys? So stay tuned. So very first one, we have launched our new YouTube channel named the Manward TIS Entrance, and which is very specific to TIS Entrance exam only, TISPAT and the TISNET. So if you are targeting any TISS campus such as the Mumbai, Jaipur, Hyderabad, Guwahati or Chennai PAHAM campus, join Manward Education, get the best coaching for TISNET and TISPAT. Call our board line number 8828581455. So link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel guys, because you will get lot of updates on same channel. And if you have any doubts and particular queries, you can ask me in the below comment section, so we'll try to answer all of your queries. So let's move to our main point, and that is what exactly the notification is, as we discuss about the TISMAT, TISPAT and also with respect to the OPI. The first stage to enter into TISS, and that is nothing but the TISNET, right guys? Now after giving the TISNET, you have to wait for the second round, and that is nothing but the TISPAT or the TISMAT if you are applying for HRM and ODCL program, and also the OPI. So TISPAT or OPI or TISMAT or OPI, that is the second stage of the selection process. So your second stage of the selection will be based on the TISNET marks. So whatever marks you will score in the TISNET, depend on that you will get the call letters for the second stage of selection process. So it also depends on the ratio on the number of seat announced for the respective programs. So whatever the programs you have chosen, this number of seat is also matters. So we are also aware about that the shortlisted candidate will receive the call letters for the second round. Only shortlisted candidate. So you have to crack the cutoff for that particular program. So the important news is this is the mail, and it shows there has been a lot of confusion around the evaluation of marked for review answers in TISNET. We got in touch with the admissions office regarding this and were informed that all the answers which were marked for review by test takers will be considered for final evaluation. So first one, okay. Now the important news is we also been getting a lot of queries around the tentative dates for the TISNET result and the TISMAT. We would like to inform you that TISNET result will be announced during the last week of March, and TISMAT will be conducted around 15th April tentatively. So guys, this is the big news. The TISNET result will be announced during last week of March, and TISMAT will be conducted around 15th of April. Okay, so however, we suggest you to start preparing for TISMAT and online personal interview without further delay, as you will have lesser time after TISNET results. So this is the mail, and guys, now you have to focus simultaneously on both the TISMAT or TISPAT plus the OPI. Now you have to balance both the sides. You have to prepare for the OPI, your personal interview, and also for the TISMAT if you are looking for HRM and ODCL program, and for rest program TISPAT plus OPI. Again, this is the tentative date guys. Once the official notification will be out, we'll make a separate video on same. So now keep this date in your mind and start your preparations accordingly. Okay, so all the best for your preparation guys. Now if you are looking for 2022 program, you can join with us. You can join Manward online programs such as the books, mock test, sectional or full course. You can even interact live with us. So call or WhatsApp on this number or visit manwadedu.com/mbentrance. You can also join our classroom preparations at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it to all of your friends, so they will also get the benefit from this video. So to get the regular updates, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.